Hey everyone, I just got this fan from Bulk Pickup. It's in, it's a Lakewood. I'm pretty sure it's a P223, but I don't know if it's a first generation or a second generation. And it's not in very good shape at all. It's very rusty. Oh, this is cool. And it was like 5,000 broken grill slots. That's broken. That's broken. That's broken. Then, yeah, that's coming off. That screw's like holding nothing. It's cracked right there. Yeah, it's in very rough shape. Needs, I'm probably going to repaint it. It's going to be in like a beige color. Beige. It's in bad shape. Wonder if I can show you the bottom. I wonder if there's like a tag or something. Gonna be super careful because it's a.
There's no tag on the bottom.
Nothing.
Nope.
Just rustiness. Yeah, it's very rusty. It has feet though, surprisingly. Has feet. See, little plastic feet. I wonder if it works, you guys. You have it plugged in. I haven't tested it yet, so. I don't know if it works or not. Probably does, because vintage fans last forever. But it's really beat up. The motor could not work. So, here you go. In 3, 2, 1, here's high. Does work. It can blow more air. I kind of feel like it needs oil, but I'll just use it when I clean it up. I'll use it in the basement, and then maybe it will get free because I don't want to have the chance of having the oil. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. That's only high, Lakewood. That's how it needs it. Medium. The knob's squeaky and hard to turn. I don't think it needs any switches. I'm sorry. It's not blowing much air anymore. Probably because of the dustiness on the grills. And whoa. Oh, this is like the perfect sleeping speed. It's like pretty much, it's almost silent. It has a tiny, tiny breeze. Nice for sleeping. And it just, you can't hear it. So it's, I guess, well, you can kind of hear it. Yeah, I don't know if this is a first generation or a second generation. It has the, I believe to be a Macmillan motor. It's dirty though. Okay, so let's see the spin down time. I wonder if it needs oil. On. And off. I actually think it's fine. Yeah, it's taken a while. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this fan. It's probably from like late 70s, early 80s. If it's a first generation, maybe early 70s. But I have no idea when this is from. So it's either a first generation or a second generation. I think it's a P223. I'm not sure. But so yeah, I guess that's it. Bye.